You want the ball? Oh, throw it to Mama. Oh,
Go get it.
throw it to Mama. Ready, go. Oh, ready? Oh. Okay, take the ball.
That's not what a quarterback does. He gets right back up.
Come on. Throw. Woo! Back up. Ready? Throw. Not with that.
That was a
You're
good
not a
one. That was a
lefty.
good one.
You're not a lefty. Sit. Hop. Hop. Go.
He's gonna be a good football player.
Other hand. Other hand. Sit. Put the ball down. Sit. Hop. Whoop.
Ah!
Up again.
Fumble.
Get that ball. Sit. Up. High five. Okay. Go. Oh, you don't want to be a center. You don't want to be a center. Hop. Go get that ball.
I'm gonna get you.
Oh,
no, he wants to
you
be-
can't kick it.
Yeah.
No.
Oh yeah, they can. Yeah, they can. They can. It's a rule.
No.
No, it's in the.
Oh! Go again. Sit. Sit. Get down. Get
Hey.
down with that ball. No, not sit down. You gonna throw it? Touchdown!
It's pretty damn flexible. Ugh. Ready? Catch it.
That he's not so good at.
Come on, catch. Oh.
Throw. Other hand.
Oh, that was a good throw. That was a good throw. Football celebration.
Throw. Oh no.
Is that enough? Is that enough, Mom?
Oh!
Oh. I didn't
Touchdown
even see that
dance!
coming.
Touchdown dance! Touchdown dance! Oh,
Oh.
Wesley, forget about that one. Get the football. Not that one. That one. That one.
Where?
Oh. Get the other one. Go. Way!
He's
Ready?
good. All right, Mom. Done.